Okay, so now we're going to talk about the importance of posing. So this is our rig here. I'm not really going to talk too much about him for the minute. I just really want to talk about posing and body mechanics. When we have a character, we always need to make sure the character is standing in a realistic position. And what I mean by that is we can't have the character, for example, just balancing on one foot with all of his weight off to the side, like this guy here. If we do this, nobody is going to believe what's going on. Can't just be chilling out here talking. It's important that we always line up the center of gravity and make sure that his feet are under his head so that he does not fall over. Okay? I mean, he's not going to fall over unless we make him fall over, but the point is we need the audience to believe that he's balanced at all times. Okay? So, as far as posing goes, a good technique we can use is to just turn this light on. And we really want to make sure that he's, again, like I said, balanced, and that he's got a good silhouette. Take off these curves so that we can see what we're doing. Now you can see there that's a really nice silhouette. His head is in the middle of his center of gravity. Okay, we could even push it further forwards than that. Let's have a look. This is a believable pose, okay? What's not a believable pose see, even this here at the minute, this is an alright pose because you can see here his head is lined up with his back foot, okay? If we were to take that even further though, and really push this guy back like this, you can see he does not look like he's balanced, okay? He looks like if we were to hit play on the animation, he'd just fall straight over, okay? And this is a really important aspect of animation, is that you need to make sure, you need to check all the different angles, and you need to make sure that he's balanced at all times, okay? When he's walking or moving, he needs to transfer his weight. So if he's going to step this foot out to the side like this, before he can do that, he needs to transfer his weight off of that foot so that he's got the ability to lift his foot off the ground. Let's just bring our guy back. Okay, so he needs to transfer his weight first, then he can lift his foot, then shift his weight back in the direction he wants to go as he's reaching his foot for the ground before finishing transferring his weight. Okay, so when we're doing walking and stuff like that, it's very subtle, but again, because his weight is now over this foot here, it's believable for him to lift this one up. What I don't want to be doing is having all of his weight over this foot and then have this foot lifting off the ground, because again, now this guy's going to fall over. Okay, so when you're posing your character, you really need to keep that in mind. Okay, all right.